In a quiet village, a curious boy named Timmy loved exploring the woods. One misty evening, he stumbled upon a peculiar creature, a frogman with a shimmering cloak. "I am the guardian of the forest," croaked the frogman. Timmy, amazed, asked, "Can you show me magic?" The frogman smiled, revealing a hidden world of talking trees and dancing fireflies. But the twist! The frogman was once a boy like Timmy who learned that true magic lies in protecting nature. Timmy promised to cherish the forest, realizing that respect for nature is the greatest magic. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.